How to go live on Facebook Lite app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you go live on your Facebook Lite app. So first of all, open your Facebook app and log into your account. Stay in your home page and tap on three horizontal lines on the top right corner and tap on your profile. Scroll down a bit and there you can see a post a status update. So simply tap on it and at the end below feeling or activity, there is an option of go live. Tap on it and just simply click on go live option down here, and once you're ready with this, your live session will begin. After you're done, tap on finish to stop your live, and you can even delete your live video by tapping on delete, or you can post it in your timeline among your friends, public, friends of friends, or any audience you have set to by just clicking finish. This is how you can go live on Facebook Lite app. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.